clearly this is not like a makeup tutorial because look at this lighting. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new, thank you so much for choosing to watch me. I'm Dineo. Smash the subscribe button and join the family. I don't feel like editing much at all, so this is gonna be something totally different. Ever since my brother bought me like some of these, like this makeup stuff, you know, one is like what do you call, well, it's a 3-in-1 blush, I don't know, bronzer and highlight, as well as some brushes. I don't know, some mini brushes. I've been feeling like a makeup guru, so I'm just gonna, because I don't feel very good today, especially since I just got attacked by a centipede in my bathroom, which was an interesting spiritual adventure, you know. But yeah, I'm just gonna, I should have turned that off. I'm just gonna talk to you guys a little bit about something. Please don't mind if I don't say the Bible says a lot, because I didn't read too much about this, but it's just one of those talks where like I feel like I should talk to you and just share a little bit. This is my shea butter. I just washed my face, washed my body, and I was the smart person who forgot to cover her hair, and so and my skin has been acting so special. Wow, this lighting is really bad. And I was like, I'm not gonna put any makeup on it until it's fine. I am not putting makeup on my skin until my face behaves. It has decided that, you know what, it is special, you know what, it is sensitive, it has emotions and feelings, and everything that I put on it, it now expands. It's like a pregnancy, giving birth, pimple, pimple, twins, pimple, pimple, populating, fruitful, multiplication on my face. For what now? So I'm going to wait until my skin is fresh and soft like a baby. And yesterday my first best friend got married, so I had to like look good and just show up for the occasion because she was so gorgeous, and I really love her like a sister. This, once upon a time, this was a pink beauty blender, like legit beauty blender, like the beauty blender, but then it met me. Whoa, the sun is so bright right now. Sorry. Don't be a doormat. Please don't be a doormat. Don't be a doormat and come say Dineo told me to be a doormat. Don't be a doormat, but please, when buying a person a gift, please don't expect anything in return. Don't put people in debts that they don't know they're part of. It's not an exchange system. It's not a butter system or whatever. You're not basically just it's not a savings. It's not an account where like you're paying because you're interested in the interest rates and stuff like that. So I got this gel that I use so much lately. As long as it doesn't touch my face, I love it. When it touches my face, it becomes like a whole situation. I got these from Choppies, from Sea Hoppies, and they were like $2 each, like one something each. So I'm gonna just do that because I'm the smart person who decided to just hop into the shower and let my hair feel some water when I know it's like not supposed to. I guess it's like a very natural thing to want to get something out of relationships, out of our time invested and stuff like that, right? The reason why most of us then start becoming like bitter and stuff like that is because it seems that every single time we give something, every single time we invest our time, our money, our feelings, our whatever, we expect something back. Now I don't think that should be the case, because that's not too healthy, you know. It's not the most healthy thing to expect everyone to give you back the same energy. It's not bad. I'll give you that. Okay, so basically, when you give and you're not giving properly and you don't have like the right intentions and stuff like that, basically you just don't give properly, you're gonna end up 1, broke, 2, bitter, 3, depressed, 4, angry, 5, feeling like you're all alone. All in all, if you're not giving properly, I don't think it's gonna end up well for you. Because some people, okay, examples of not giving properly are like when you give expecting that this is just you planting a seed because next time this person will be the one with something and he's gonna owe me and stuff like that. Then you hold on to that. I guess this is what happens with like a lot of people who get into relationships with broke people, and then they try to build them up, and then when the person becomes something, they leave them. It becomes harder for the person who's been left to get over it because they feel like, I put my money into you, I invested my time into you, I gave you my love and all that stuff, and you are neglecting yourself all while pumping all this into the other person. And now that the person has made it, they've left you, and you are where you were all this time while they have progressed in life, and it hurts. So I feel like that's one way of not giving properly, by not investing in yourself as well. Also, another way of not giving very well is giving everything that you have, depleting, going to absolutely zero, unless of course God tells you to do it, because God always replaces and multiplies. So that's fine. But if it's you just saying, you know what, you have 1,000 bula today and you give it all away because you want to impress someone, or because, you know, you just want that type of reputation, and then you're left there broke, hungry, stranded, and no one can help you because you basically did this to yourself. And yeah, that's also not a good way of living your life. There's also another way of like giving in terms of time, money, and whatever to your friends, and expecting the same type of energy from people who were just not built to give you that type of energy back, right? You're just investing in the wrong thing and the wrong people, because usually good friends will give you back what you give them. Basically, if you're supportive, they'll be supportive back. If you're investing your time and effort, they'll invest their time and effort. Wow, my dogs. We need to talk about how to give and how to give well, how to give without expecting things back and stuff like that. And I think it's just a life skill that a lot of people skipped out on, including myself. And so when you do give, I hope you give wisely. I hope you give to the right people and know when it's an investment that will give something back to you and when not to expect something back. Because not every single time should you expect something back when you give. You know, you shouldn't do things with expectations that I'm gonna get this back, this is why I'm doing this selfishly, basically. So let's just review why we give and stuff like that. I'm gonna go start on the video for tomorrow. I hope this is okay. I'll continue in the comment box today. I'll just be talking to you guys quite a bit. But yeah, anyway, how do you give? Have you ever been in a situation where you feel like people owe you because of you giving them so much, or investing your time, your effort, your money, your emotions in them? Have you realized that doing that and expecting the same energy back creates a situation where you're more vulnerable to hurt and stuff like that? Talk to me. Feel free to subscribe, join the family. I'm gonna try to post every single day this week. I mean, from Monday to Friday, at least. Check the waves. Wave check. Well, guys. My head looks like this is the most chaotic vlog I've put up. Be kind, be amazing, be the best version of yourselves. Enjoy your December and join me tomorrow for another video. Love you. And learn to give properly this New Year's. Just gotta know like about to expect things from them, please. Okay, bye.